journey, erasure, with all the feels.
Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is me trying to find a thumbnail for this. You guys, I just Marie Kondo'd my closet. Okay? This whole postpartum depression is dragging me, y'all. Dragging me, okay? She got me caught up and just dragging me through the mud. And so I just decided I need change. I really want to be able to feel like myself. I'm tired of thinking of an outfit in my mind, and then once I go to the closet and put on the items that I thought would be cute, and they aren't. Or the pieces of clothing are, but I'm just not feeling my best self. I'm not feeling confident. So just rock with me as I talk to you guys about my postpartum journey and clean out this depression closet, okay?
Go for it,
And yes, that was featuring Little Dumpling. He's helping me with his motivational skills of ma. Alright now, y'all. So the first part of this journey was cleaning out my closet and putting every article of clothing that I own in that closet onto the bed so I could just visually see all of the things that I have held on to, all of my past purchases, recent purchases. I even pulled out all of my winter stuff, summer items, any bags that were in there. There were things inside of my purses. I mean, I just took it all out and laid it so I could visually see everything that I have taken a hold of. Yeah, I'm not sure what he was doing right there, but he was helping me. By the way, the first two tracks that you have heard in this video, I produced on my own. They're on my SoundCloud from a long time ago called The Feels. And the rest of this video will feature music from Gutta Hendrix, one of my favorite producers. So let's just really talk about it, okay? Let's just talk about how people really don't tell the full truth about pregnancy journeys. I mean, I lost friends. I felt lonely. I was just thoroughly confused about what in the world was going on with my body. Like, I know I was growing a human, but in the same context, I was more so like, who am I about to become? Yes, I know I'm becoming a mom, but who will Teresia be once this human is out of my body? Y'all, I was going through it. Alright, so boom, let's just be real raw right quick. So, the first 10 days at home was crazy. Like, Dumpling was crying and I had no idea what to do. Everyone says, like, oh, it's your intuition, your mom, intuition kicks in, yada yada. Yeah, sure, it kicked in, but he was just crying so much and I had no idea what to do. Like, I was crying because I was sleepy, I had a C-section, and I was still trying to do everything. My husband was just like, girl, sit down. But in my mind, I was like, I just want to stand up. I want to dance. I want to do something. But yeah, I couldn't even get the baby to stop crying. And I was trying to pump after not successfully latching. Y'all, if you know about that pumping journey or that breastfeeding journey, you know what I know, and just say to the rest of the world, we don't care about your opinions because it's hard. It's not easy. That's it. It's just, is it rewarding? Yes. But is it easy? That's all I gotta say is, Anywho. So, I separated all of the clothes into 4 piles. Goodwill, sell, try on, and keep. So here you see me bagging the Goodwill versus the sale items. So for like Poshmark, Uptown Cheapskates, Play-Dohs, Style Encore, yada yada. You know what I'm saying. And then I put the items that I wanted to keep on a hanger in the closet. And this was just the first part of the keep and put up. And here is my depression try-on pile. So these are all the clothes I wanted to keep. I tried on and I did not love them on myself, so they gotta go. And the shoes, I'll get to it in a second. So far, this is what I'm keeping. It's really not a lot. There was like 5 dresses, 5 outside the house fancy dresses, 4 shorts, 4 skirts, 6 tops, 3 pants, 3 pocketbooks. So, baby, your girl went to Target and got some clear storage bins. They were on sale for $6 each. Someone snatched them all, so I only got 2. And I'm just going to place the heels that I don't wear on a day-to-day basis in them and stack them so I see them and I can quit buying the same color heels, even though I have a good palette of neutral and pop out colors and styles. Yeah, so I just took those and placed them at the top of the shelves, and boom, I got rid of my tower that's going downstairs for guests, and now I have more space in my closet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.